Did you know that the first-generation computers, like the Electronic Numerical Integrator and Computer, or ENIAC, were the pioneers that paved the way for the digital revolution we know today? Let's dive into the intriguing world of these remarkable machines and discover how they shaped the course of computing history. Imagine a time when computers weren't sleek devices that fit in our pockets, but massive machines that occupied entire rooms. In 1946, the ENIAC was born, standing tall and proud as the first general-purpose electronic computer. The ENIAC utilized vacuum tubes, delicate glass devices that served as the building blocks of early computers. These vacuum tubes processed information and executed calculations, but they were fragile and required constant monitoring and replacement. The ENIAC's primary purpose was to perform complex calculations for scientific and military applications. It played a significant role in the development of the atomic bomb during World War II, and opened doors to new possibilities in scientific research and data analysis. But the ENIAC was just the beginning. Soon, other groundbreaking machines emerged, like the UNIVAC, the first commercial computer. This incredible machine accurately predicted the outcome of the 1952 presidential election, a testament to the growing power and potential of computers. The early computers relied heavily on punch cards, which carried data and instructions. Operators meticulously prepared these cards, feeding them into the machines to execute calculations. It was a tangible and hands-on process that marked the early days of programming. These room-sized computers, with their intricate wiring, flashing lights, and diligent operators, laid the foundation for the digital era we now inhabit. They might seem primitive by today's standards, but they were the stepping stones to the incredible technological advancements we enjoy today. So, the next time you use your smartphone, browse the internet, or unleash the power of a modern computer, take a moment to appreciate the rich history and the extraordinary journey that began with these first-generation computers. Thanks for joining us on this captivating exploration of the first-generation computers. If you found this journey through history as fascinating as we did, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and stay tuned to Artemis Coder.